How to crop photo in Instagram. When you upload a landscape or a portrait photo to Instagram, it automatically crops part of the image to fit a square on your profile grid. If an important part of the image, like a face or a subject, is outside this square, it may not look the way you want. To make sure your photo is framed correctly, you need to crop it in advance. You can do this using any photo editing app. On an iPhone, open the Photos app and select the image you want to post. Tap Edit in the 3-line at the bottom of the image. Then, tap the crop icon at the bottom. To make sure your photo fits both the square grid and the Instagram feed, top right corner tap Square button. At the bottom, you can see many options. First, set the crop to a square. This helps you frame the most important part of the image. Move the image as needed to get the best composition. Once you're happy with the square crop, switch the aspect ratio to 4:5. Tap Done to save your changes. Now your photo is correctly framed for both the Instagram feed and the profile grid. That's it. How to crop photo in Instagram.